welcome back to the Party Kids channel. We got a bunch of comments lately asking us to do the squishy vending machine. We thought it was a great idea, so we made one. Let me show you how it works. First, you put your quarter in. And then you spin this very slowly. And then a squishy will come out. Looks like I got a poop emoji squishy. Smells good. Not bad like poop. Let's see what I get this time. I hope it's a good one. Ooh, looks like it's a narwhal. Let's see how it squished. Ooh, it feels really good. And guys, you know what I just noticed? Its tail kind of looks like a heart. And its belly has a heart on it. Let's see how it smells. This one smells like popcorn. It's really pokey on its tail. Let's try one more time. I wonder what I'm gonna get, guys. Okay, let's see what I get. Ooh, it's my lucky day! I got 2 squishies! It looks like I got like a corn dog on a stick and a watermelon. This one, I'll have to say it smells like soap. It actually smells like those corn dogs on the stick. Let's see how squishy they are. First, I'm gonna squish this one. This one's really squishy. Let's do this one. Not that squishy. I'm gonna try to bounce it. Not bouncy either. Guys, do you wanna smell this? Okay guys, let me show you how it works. First, you put your quarter in. Next, you rotate the knob until the squishy falls out. We use a vitamin bottle that you rotate to catch the squishies. We cut a hole in the bottle so that our squishy can drop in. Let me show you how it works. We cut out a small shelf to keep the bottle in place. We made a ramp for a squishy to roll down. When you put the quarter in, it slides down the ramp and collects it. It works like this. We cut out a slide in the back so we can get our quarter out. Guys, I really hope you like our squishy vending machine. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Make sure to hit that like button. Smash that like button. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Bye. You might as well subscribe.